Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers or a following list on Spotify. So if you don't want to show the follower list and also following in your profile to public, you can hide it. And this is what you're going to do if you want to hide them. First, you can just open your Spotify on mobile or on computer like this on your desktop, and then you can click on your name at the top and go to the Spotify settings. And in here you can just scroll down on the settings and you'll find this social section, and at the very bottom there will be this option, show my follower and following list on my public profile. So you can see that my setting is currently on, so my followers will shown to everyone who see my profile. And if you want to hide them, you can just turn off this option, and that's it. After that, your follower and following list will be hidden on your profile. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.